Hi again, and welcome to Nomad PDU. Just today I wanted to have a look at the new installation brackets that we have. They're actually made of marine grade stainless steel, and they're all powder coated black like so. What you need to know is if you're going to be drilling through this, you need to have a very good drill bit because it is quite tough to get through. The actual brackets themselves, they come out with a flat tab, and you can simply bend those to suit your situation. So this will be able to attach itself to any sort of flat wall. The way they get installed, and again, we've left it like this so that your Nomad can breathe. And I do want to cover this off, and we'll probably cover it again in another tutorial. It's really important to ventilate your Nomad. There's no benefit at all by putting your Nomad in and installing it so that it's radiating heat. There is a battery inside it, and if you're putting loads on it and charging it and so on and so forth, yes, you will start to create a heat issue. So all you need to do is make sure it's ventilated, and that's why we've got the unit like so, and it will fit quite nicely and flush like so. And then if you've got multiple vehicles that you want to move the Nomad in and out of, say you've got to plug a DC, plug and go, you can just pull the unit out and move into another car. So that's quite simply available now from all of our partners nationally. If they don't have any at the moment, they'll be 2 or 3 weeks out of stock only at the worst case scenario. So available now, the Nomad PDU black powder coated installation bracket. That's how easy it is there. And again, I want to reiterate, make sure that you ventilate your Nomads, don't enclose it into a sealed case, etc. So nomadpdu.com.au, I'll actually add some pictures at the end of this tutorial of the installations using the bracket. You may have seen them on our Facebook, but I'll add them again now. So thanks for joining us, new bracket, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks.